Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Hello, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to show you a little bit around my house and all my Christmas decorations, because I think this year I didn't expect I'm gonna go that big. Well, big for me because I like to keep really simple, and basically the most of the Christmas decoration is focused around the Christmas tree, used to us, but this year I think maybe because COVID and all the situation around the world, I just wanted to cheer up us a little bit and bring a little bit more festive feel at home. So if you're interested, just please stay with me. First, what I want to talk about is this style. What I really wanted to bring to the house. It was for the couple of years I'm really into Scandinavian style, especially for Christmas. It's like very simple and beautiful look. You can really make it this by yourself. I was focused on Scandinavian, but I really like also this like a dark Christmas. I mean like a black Christmas decorations. So I thought I may be gonna be able to get some tablecloth from H&M, but unfortunately I think I just waited too long, and unfortunately everything what I wanted is out of stock. I was definitely wanted modern, simple, Scandinavian, minimalist Christmas. We got real tree again this year. The last year we had potted tree, which was kind of good and bad. Anyway, this year we decided to go for cut tree. Like you can see behind me, it's quite a tall one. We didn't expect to go for that big tree, but we found in home base, and just feel like we want to get it. Only one minus, I would say, minus and plus, depends how sensitive you're on a kind of fragrance. This tree really smells very strong, especially in the beginning. We bought this tree, I would say, 29th of November, 1st of December, I can't really remember, but let's say 1st of December, and for 1 week or so, the smell was so strong. I was actually avoiding sitting in the living room because it was too much for me. But now it's a little bit better, and the Christmas is doing quite good because today is 16th, and it actually doesn't really lose so many needles, and it's fine. Obviously we put some lights on the Christmas tree. We had some Christmas decoration from the previous years, which was gold and silver, so I just removed the gold ones and I used the silver ones, and I also got some black ones and white, black and white. So I'm just keeping in that simple. I actually really like it. I think it's going very nice. I managed to paint that living room just 1 month or so ago, and I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of pearl grey, and we have lots of like a pink greys in our room, and I think there's Christmas decorations, the color it goes very nice in that room. So yeah, I think that's quite a success, and I let my 3-year-old decorate this Christmas tree, and I think he did quite a good job. He was helping, but I didn't really fix after him, so probably some bubbles are in weird places, but it's fine. I like it. It's maybe even giving this more Scandinavian look as well. I know Scandinavian Christmas tree, they don't really have lights. It was quite rare to find, and it's like not that many decorations as well. They like to leave the Christmas tree sometimes even bare without any decorations, which is beautiful. It's like kind of little piece of art, you know, from the nature, and the Christmas tree just itself is like a beautiful Christmas decoration. but I decided to put some a little bit sparkly, I would say maybe more like luxury Scandinavian style. So yeah, behind me also you can see I fill up this vase with some balls as well and put some lights there, some like a simple candles. I also made some clay Christmas decorations, which those first attempt it was interesting. I just didn't expect they're gonna be so light in the end when they're gonna dry out, so I could maybe make them a little bit more thick, but also I will show you later in this video how I made them, exactly how I decorate them, how I paint them in the end. So this year also we went absolutely crazy about lights around the house. We probably almost all the windows have some Christmas light. One of my the hardest probably Christmas DIY this year was a Christmas wooden tree, which I didn't have the correct tools to do that, but in the end I managed to do this. I mean, cutting the angles and math side was actually quite difficult, but somehow I did that and I really like it. I decided to use this in a study room just to simple decorate, hang some bubbles on it, and I painted this black. As I said, like I'm really trying to bring this black color a little bit just to cool down the rest of the colors around the house and make it like more interesting, like some highs and lows in the decorations. So another thing what I really want to do is to make a Christmas poster, which I'm intending to do probably even today if I am lucky enough with my time. Let's go for a little round around the house and I will show you all the Christmas decorations and I will show you short videos how I actually made them, because some of them that I just made, and I hope you will enjoy. Let's go. So here is, as you can see, a huge Christmas tree. This funny star tree topper is just a little bit wonky, but it's alright. So as you can see, I decided to go very simple for black and white, kind of silver decorations with I think that's 2 sets of lights. Yeah, that's 2 sets of lights.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any present.
And that's all in today's video. I hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave your thumbs up and subscribe, because more stuff like that is coming. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!
Making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close.